Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious green chicken pozole that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing and delicious chicken green pozole, these are the ingredients. I have here hominy, Mexican oregano, marjoram, chicken bouillon, cumin, garlic cloves, onion, bay leaves, cilantro, spinach, tomatillo, chile poblano, and of course the star, the chicken. I have chicken drumsticks and I have chicken breast. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing pozole verde de pollo. So let's get started. I want to start here with the onion. I'm just cutting it in half. And now the first thing I want to do is cook my chicken. On the stove, I have a pan with lots of water. The water is already boiling. I'm going to add the chicken, the drumsticks, the chicken breast, the bay leaves, the garlic, and I'm just going to let it cook until it starts releasing the white stuff that it releases when it starts cooking. So I'm just going to leave it just like that, and I am going to continue by showing you the hominy. It comes just like that, but make sure that you rinse it very good, that you really rinse it with really fresh water. I'm going to go ahead, put it on the strainer. And of course, I'm using the whole can of the hominy. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it very good until the water runs clear. This is very important. You want to make sure and take all those preservatives completely out. The water started already boiling. I'm removing the little foam that creates right on the top, and I'm going to continue removing that. And here I'm adding 1 cup of the hominy into my blender, and I'm adding the spices, the cumin, the Mexican oregano, the marjoram, the garlic cloves. I'm going to add hot water, just 1 cup, and I'm gonna blend away. This is going to thicken your pozole and give it an amazing taste. Now I'm ready to add the chicken bouillon into the chicken and giving it that delicious and amazing flavor. And here I want to continue with my poblano chili pods. I'm going to go ahead and get the seeds completely out. You don't want any of these seeds into your amazing sauce, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead, chop it in large pieces just like that, and we are going to rinse it. I'm gonna transfer it to this plate. I'm gonna continue with my tomatillos, and you know that the tomatillos come in this little shell, the skin. I'm going to remove it really good, and now I am ready to take it to the sink and rinse it very good through running water. This is very important because the tomatillos come out a little sticky. It has a little film on the outside. The chili, well, you just got to rinse it if it has a little bit of dirt. I have here my cilantro, which I'm rinsing one by one, taking my time, rinsing it really good. And the same thing I'm going to do with my spinach. I want to make sure that I get everything completely nice and rinsed. Now that all my veggies are rinsed, I'm going to continue with the topping. The topping, I'm going to go ahead and slice it nice and thin. Look at this. This is only the topping for your pozole. Look at this. Nice and thin. And I'm going to do the same thing with my cabbage. I'm just going to go ahead, slice it nice and thin. And of course, 1 chile serrano and some organic lemons or limes. These are from my garden. They're small, but they have a lot of juice. And this is what I'm going to use to garnish my green pozole. And now I am ready to just put it aside, and let's go see how the chicken is doing. I'm going to remove the chicken breast. I'm going to add the corn. I am going to add what we have in our blender. And here I have the rest of the ingredients. This is going to be the green sauce that I'm adding to my green pozole. I'm going to go ahead, add everything in here, just like that. And I'm adding some of that same chicken broth. The chicken broth has all those amazing flavors. Make sure that you blend it very good. Leave it like that for a couple minutes, because we are not going to put it through a sifter. We're going to go ahead and just add it directly like that. And here I have the chicken. We're going to shred the chicken, but we're not going to shred it in very small pieces. We want bite-sized pieces. I'm going to show you how I left the little pieces of the chicken. You don't want to shred it completely. You want to make sure that you have those little bites of the chicken breast. And of course, on the pot, I have the drumsticks of the chicken. And that really gives this pozole an amazing taste because of the bone. And here, let me show you the pieces of the chicken breast. That's exactly how you want it. And it really doesn't take too long to make this amazing and delicious green chicken pozole, or pozole verde de pollo. Look at this. We're going to go ahead, add it in here. The sauce, we are going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, and we are going to cook this amazing green sauce. This is the part that you have to really cook. You need to go ahead and sear the sauce. Once you start cooking it, it really cooks very well, and it releases all those amazing flavor of the ingredients that you added into the sauce. Once it's nice and boiling, then you are ready to incorporate into the pozole. Look at this. It's boiling. It's already cooked, and I can't wait to enjoy. I'm getting ready my presentation plate. And of course, this is my plate, and I can't wait to enjoy. I'm going to garnish it with those ingredients, just a little bit on the top. I don't want to overdo it. Remember that a good pozole, you really enjoy it with some tortilla chips. And of course, I love spicy food, so I'm adding some slices of the Serrano Chile. And of course, I cannot forget the lime. I'm going to add a little bit of the lime right on the top it off just like that. It's really simple, but you know something, this green pozole comes out amazing, perfect for the holidays. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing pozole verde de pollo. Yes, chicken pozole in this amazing grease sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. Of course, I want to get a little bit of everything. Mmm. Perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make this amazing pozole verde de pollo. It comes out delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.